The iDealBed 4i Custom is the pinnacle of performance, combining perfectly executed precision and elegance into a single design. After years of research and development, meticulous craftsmanship has led to the creation of a modern engineering marvel unlike anything on the market. The folded design concept and simple two-step assembly process have been created with the consumer in mind. Innovative tubular steel frame increases structural support and extends the lifespan of any mattress. The iDealBed 4i includes state-of-the-art features that allow full customization in the bedroom, such as multi-smart mode massage, one-touch preset memory positions such as zero gravity, anti-snore, and flat. The sleek modern sturdy design is made to fit any decor with a neutral charcoal furniture-grade fabric. 2 USB charge ports conveniently located on each side of the bed to charge your mobile devices or tablet. Bright white safety LED flashlight built into the sleek ergonomic wireless backlit remote. Additional convenience features include under-the-bed lighting, remote safety lock feature, massage timer, programmable memory positions, and more. The iDealBed 4i wasn't only designed with medical benefits in mind but also as the ultimate comfort and convenience piece in the bedroom. This adjustable bed includes ultra-quiet power lift motors with an 850 pounds lift capacity per side. iDealBed stands behind its quality and design with unmatched coverage that includes 3 years of full coverage and 10 years prorated on the entire bed. iDealBed's unmatched quality with manufacturing the 4i Custom, sourcing only the highest quality of materials. Head articulates up to 75 degrees, foot articulates up to 48 degrees. Ultra-quiet iDealBed Spec-Oaken power lift motors featuring 850 pounds lift capacity. Wireless ergonomic backlit remote with 19 buttons, easy to use and see. Full body massage, including iDeal Smart Wave Massage, 4 different modes, 3 different intensities, to help improve blood circulation and relaxation. 4 smart one-touch iDeal memory presets including zero gravity, anti-snore, lounge and flat positions. 2 custom position programmable memory to save your favorite positions for one-touch convenience. Safety bright white LED flashlight built into the remote. 2 USB charge ports located on each underside of the bed towards the head for convenience, 4 in total.